Hi guys, this is Bionic and I'm going to show you how to install Theos on your Mac device easily. For this we will need Xcode, which we can get from the App Store if you have a kind of recent MacOS. Otherwise, we can go to xcodereleases.com to download the most recent compatible version for your macOS, as you can see here. After installing Xcode, now we will simply need to open a new terminal and execute the command I leave in the description. Here we'll type our admin's password. And now we just have to wait for the process to finish. Here I will close the terminal and open a new one. We'll confirm that Theos is added to the path and working. Thank you for watching.